teachers na para lang kung ano sa mga batas kay mga wala ko, mga benefits nila kay it's all about the fair salary and about the job security na to. So, ang Magna Carta na ay siya yung section sila na dito 19? Basta gagawin siya section. So, ang is tulong na section sa Magna Carta. So, the first one is the Declaration of Policy Coverage. So, who among you here can define the declaration? Again, who among you here can define the word declaration? Who among you here can define the word declaration? So, malalaw ko ha? Ay na? So, Aldea.
I think the word declaration is, it is a word used for an act of declaring something, or when it comes to voting acts or articles, it is a word that we use for publishing or positioning a certain thing.
So, thank you, Ms. Magallanes. So, yes, BJ.
For me, word declaration means yes, declaring something, but it's more like you let people know that it's something very important and that kailangan itong value.
So, thank you, BJ and Aldea. So, the answer is correct. It's all about when we say the word declaration, it is official. Official siya. And, ang statement, Ana, is legal na bitaw. Kasama ko, everyone? Yes. So, when we say declaration, official statement. Again, everyone. Declaration, official statement. 1, 2, 3. Declaration, official statement. So, please read the Declaration of Policy and Coverage definition. The government recognizes the important role of teachers in nation building. This aims to protect the welfare, improve their living and working conditions, and make teaching a respected and stable profession. So, sa Section 1, i-explain na rin ano ang Magna Carta is inimo. So, para magod sa government, importante na sa ilang ang mga teachers bitaw is kuan kanang itawag ni sila as a professional. So, ang teacher magod is important since as a student sila mo nag-build sa future. Okay. Sila may nag-build sa future. Share bitaw nila ito mga minds. Is it true or false? So, because of this, ang mga teacher kay iba bitaw na sila mga buwan na support and also protection. Agi-agi nga, Magna Carta nga batas. So, in short, ang Section 1, ginagawa niya kung sa ka-important ang work sa teacher and also kung sa sila na-deserve ng proper treatment and support. So, all the Jackson. So, now, let's proceed sa Section 2. Please, everyone read.
Coverage and definition of teachers. This law applies to all public school teachers in the Philippines, except those teaching in state universities and colleges.
So, kung sa Section 1, ginaikon o gano'ng ginihin mo ang Magna Carta, dire, sa Section 2, ginalify o kinsa ang gihimuan sa Magna Carta. So, kinsa ang gihimuan sa Magna Carta na good. So, ang Magna Carta, mukha na siya, relate na siya, or wala siya sa public teachers. For example, sa elementary o sa high school. Now, librarians. Ginagawa sila sa teacher. Why? Ano makainod ka nga mga librarians is ginalifine sila sa teacher sa pagkakarga. Why? Ano really appeal ang mga nurses, doctors na, or mga school dentists na to? Ano ang mga librarians ginalifine as a teacher sa pagkakarga? Kada mga classroom teacher, librarian, guidance counselor. Why? Anawag na tuturo. Sige, G-Boy.
So, why?
Diba, ang mga, ano meaning ang tawag na teachers, ang mga school dentists, school doctors na but matawag na itong teachers, ang mga librarians, guidance counselors sa atong student.
Well, basically, my motivator. So, I would like to say that a librarian are considered as teacher is because they are also a foundation of knowledge. Like they can also contribute to like impart knowledge to students. Like of course, as a librarian, it's part of their job and responsibilities to be knowledgeable enough about the books that they want to check. So if a student asks for information about a certain book, and then the librarian can provide the knowledge that they need. And guidance counselor is, as a teacher, we don't just impart knowledge to students, but we also have to manage and as human we have to teach our children, the students to be human. So, it's job sa mga guidance counselors, like, discipline ko nila ang mga students so that they're not just in school to learn, but also to be a human na really mag-contribute sa betterment of our community.
Yeah. So, naminaw ko ni G-Boy. Sama mo wala ko naminaw mo, mamumoy makabalo, kung nano ang librarian, guidance counselors, matawag, na teacher. But, ang mga school dentists, school doctor, or school nurses na ito, hindi matawag na teacher. So, kasi wala naminaw. Almost. Kamay natin naminaw ni G-Boy. Ito na sa tayo. So, kami siya ka-session, dili na natin makuha ng visa o maka-benefits o dili maka-benefits sa Magna Carta ng law. So, section 3, so, please go sa
Qualifications for teachers. Minimum educational requirements. Position. Minimum qualification. Elementary teacher. BS or Bachelor of Elementary Education. High school teacher. BSF or Bachelor of Secondary Education. Or any bachelor's degree. 8 qualification limits. So this is very understandable.
As ako diba, what's the reason na to? Anong BSF na daw? Very good! Diba? Kasi sana mo na kayo. So, sa ako sa section 3, kung kailangan daw mo ka mag-teach in the future of mga elementary, explain na ako guys. So, kanig. Right? Yes. So, kailangan na tag-secondary ka na to clear list?
Yes.
Tapos, kailangan na sa college level na kapapot sa ating master's degree. Sako? So, kanina section, kahit sa iba kuhan, parang itong game ni isa ba? Si Ma'am James Salvador, si Ma'am Lloyd. Naliana sila nga, if teacher ka, hindi ka ba kuman na, kanami ka, sample, nagsugod tani, tapos mag-masteral ta, tapos